Oh, welcome to my channel, SteveO the window cleaner. Today, look, I have little hair wings. I'm just gonna go do a bunch of storefronts. I actually have a really packed day of storefronts, and I got 2 new storefronts I got to do, and then I got another one that I usually do on another week that I got to put in at the very end. So I thought 3 weeks ago this schedule was pretty nice, but now it's a lot more full, so that's what we got to do. So this is just gonna be purely cleaning. Hopefully you can pick some things up, so it'll just be workflow. But I figure sometimes it's just good to do some good just window cleaning videos. So hope you enjoy taking care of a few things. You guys will see a lot of videos on my channel coming up that are very, very narrow subjects that may not be very popular, but I am now going to be going into very, very narrow subjects that I've wanted to talk about for a couple of years, but I think it will be helpful. And that what I'm doing is making playlists. Like, all the videos will be titled the same, but then the actual topic will be different, and it'll be an episode, and it'll all be in playlists. And that's what I'm basically going to do for probably the next 5 years. And yeah, 5 years. So this channel ain't going anywhere. I think I'm like the longest running window cleaning YouTube channel. I started this in 2012, and I'm still going pretty regularly. I don't upload as much as I used to, but I really try to keep up with it as much as I can. And plus, with being a sales rep now for WCR, I do not have as much time as I used to as far as free time. Being a sales rep is very time consuming, but I love it. So it's been really, really good change. But very, very narrow like videos. Like one of the videos will literally be like how to take out that screen out of a single hung window, how to take a screen out of a slider window, how to take a patio screen out, and they're all going to be separate videos. And basically what it's going to be doing is it will be creating training for any window cleaners, free, you know. And then if you want to hit me back with, you know, me being your sales rep, much appreciated. So that's what I have decided that I want to go with my channel. Vlogs will be far and few between. Tool reviews, far and few between. More just helpful information to more help you build your foundation for window cleaning. So let's do some window cleaning today, just all storefronts. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm not sure how long it will be, maybe super long. I might just let the film go as much as I can. And yeah, hope you all having a good summer. It was 100 here the past like 2 weeks, and today's finally a nice day, but it's still gonna be 90 and humid. So let's go. That didn't land correctly. you.